Hey guys, welcome to Inventory Sources Daily Webinar. I'm going to get started in just a few moments. I'm just going to give a little bit more time to get everybody into the webinar, and then we'll get started in about a minute or two. All right, let's get started. Looks like we have majority of the people in the webinar, so I'm going to head and get started with the daily webinar here for Inventory Source. My name is Austin. I am a e-commerce solutions consultant here on the solutions team at Inventory Source. We're going to dive in a little presentation about who we are and what we do. Going to explain our services just a little bit better, as well as our competitors and our market. I'll jump into that demo and kind of show you of our supplier directory and what you get access to whenever you purchase inventory automation or our full automation package with us. And then we'll have open Q&A throughout this whole webinar. My solutions team is standing by ready to answer any of the questions that you have. So if you want to jump in that chat box, ask any questions for us, we'll be able to answer those and get back to you as soon as possible. All right, so Inventory Source, we were founded in 2003. We're based here locally in Jacksonville, Florida. We have 19 employees, and really our mission is to, help you sell more and manage less. We do that by providing powerful tools, to help sync your inventory and your orders from your dropship suppliers and warehouses. So here are our core services. Over there on the left, you can see our supplier directory. Our supplier directory is full of 150 plus integrated suppliers. What you can do is you can view the products and policies of those suppliers, as well as that contact information. We require all of our customers to have an approved account or reseller account with these specific suppliers. And we provide all the information to you for free whenever you sign up on inventorysource.com and getting started with us. In the middle is our inventory automation. This is our bread and butter of really what we do here. We help auto upload product listings and update inventory on a daily basis. We also provide those bulk manage powerful tools to help manage the product data. This service starts at $50 a month for one integration. Whenever you want to add multiple integrations, such as more suppliers or more sales platforms or channels, we can do that here. We have multiple plans to add on more integrations for you. But like I said, it starts at $50 a month for one integration. Over there on the right is our full automation plan. This full automation plan is really awesome. It's inventory plus our order automation. So our order automation is where we process orders automatically back to your supplier, and then we also auto update and do email notifications or any type of notification to your customer for tracking and shipment methods. This is really cool just in the sense of you don't have to manually go into the supplier and order, that order for your customer. It really helps with the turnaround time of doing that whole order management process. We have some new prices rolling out. Our integration for our one integration starts at $150 a month for one integration for the full automation package. And we have multiple plans if you'd like to add on any more integrations. All right, so just a little bit more about inventory automation and how it all works. What we do is we have the suppliers there on the left. We grab the API, the EDI, XML, CSV, however they provide the product catalog. We bring that data and standardize it, as well as the mapping, make sure that the product categorization is right, and we do variation mapping as well. So what we do is we monitor the inventory on a daily basis for price, quantity, and status and changes. And then we also do new product alerts and uploads for any new products that are added into that specific catalog. We provide you those automation tools. It's a price markup tool, so you can mark up price on a product level, on a category level, or even on a bulk level. We provide the product filter tool, which filters out what products you do and do not want to sell, as well as our category mapping tool, being able to map out what categories you want to sell these products in. I'll dive in a little bit more into those tools whenever we jump into that demo. And then really what we do is we do that file upload for you. Most people in the e-commerce business businesses are used to the file upload. You don't have to do it. We do it for you. This is very flexible and customizable, and we can, connect to those famous marketplaces such as eBay and Amazon and Walmart, as well as those sales platforms such as Shopify, Magento, WordPress, and anything along those lines. It's a broad overview of what our inventory automation is. I'm now going to jump into our order automation. So our order automation, whenever a customer comes into your sales platform or marketplace, they place an order with you. Whenever that order is placed, we bring that into our order management dashboard. We can have it to where it auto processes back to the supplier, or you can go in, verify, and process it yourself with really just one click of a button. What's cool is we also do multi-supplier order routing as well if you are working with multiple suppliers. We then, get integrated with that direct order system for the supplier. Like I said, there's no need for any emails or manual entry. We increase that turnaround time by being connected with their order placement system. And then once that order has been placed with them, they ship it out, and we auto-populate shipment tracking as well as auto-update order status for your customer. Send that notification email to them from your specific sales platform, eBay or Amazon or Shopify. That's a pretty broad overview of order automation and really how that works. Here's a little bit about the dropshipping industry. So on the top, some of y'all are used to a supplier directory. They just, give you a directory of dropship suppliers and being able to identify, what dropship supplier you want to work with. We have a supplier directory ourselves, and it's for free. You can get that, through the free account you set up with us. Right below is the aggregators. You might be a little used to the aggregators, just in the sense of they're that one-stop shop access for products. They really work as a middleman, so they mark up price from the supplier as well as providing limited shipping options. So the margins are pretty small in that aspect. And then really where inventory source sits, we are the feed manager. We help automate that listing of inventory and routing of the orders and the product sources into the sales channels. You also have those ERP, OMS, multi-channel software. This software, provides product content and order and financial reporting for brands. Very extensive, really cool softwares, very expensive as well. We can actually get integrated with these specific multi-channel softwares as well. Just a little bit about, one of our best customers that we have here at Inventory Source. Peter, he's president of Army Navy Outdoors. They are a brick and mortar store here in Jacksonville, Florida. They sell online through their BigCommerce sales platform, as well as using that multi-channel software such as Orduro. So for them, using our inventory automation, what used to take 15 minutes to add a new vendor now only takes 30 seconds. They were able to add more products at a much greater rate, and they added 25 to 50% more products than they previously were doing. And then using that order automation, they can now do order processing with less people. They went from 2 people to 1 person to managing those orders, while over the same time period, their orders were doubling, which is really awesome. All right, so I'm now going to jump into a demo of our user interface and what you get access to whenever you sign up with a free account or one of our services. So here's supplier directory. Supplier directory, like I said, you get access to this with a free account. If you're looking for a specific supplier, maybe that you know of, you can jump in here into the search bar and search for that specific supplier. You can filter out the suppliers by category here on the left. As you can see here, the suppliers that we have here is sorted by most popular by default. Whenever you jump into the page of a specific supplier, it gives you more information about what the supplier is and what they sell. You can see the product and the information along those lines, the categories that they provide for us. You can browse by manufacturer. You can also search the products. What's really cool is if you want to become an approved reseller, with this specific supplier, we have becoming a reseller button here. It gives you the contact information of how to get in touch with them with becoming an approved reseller. So that's our supplier directory. Like I said, you have that for free whenever you sign up with a free account with us. I'm now going to jump into our inventory feeds. This is our feed manager. This is where you use our tools to help automate your inventory. So whenever you jump in here, you'll see multiple subscriptions or integrations if you have multiple integrations set up with us. For this demo account, I'm going to jump into this specific integration that we have here for this supplier to sales platform. You click manage by clicking that blue button. So now we're in the feed manager for this specific integration. If you can see here on the price markup, we instantly go to the price markup tool. So the price markup tool here is at a bulk level. This is being applied to all of your products. As you can see, we have 6 different overrides, $1% on wholesale, tiered $1% on wholesale, or even a dollar discount or percent discount on MSRP. We have a lot of cool overrides. This is really just what you see deemed fit for marking up your prices for selling those products on your business and on your e-commerce site. Things such as, never letting the price exceed the MSRP. You can add a weight tier, something like, being able to do a weight for anything that, between 0 to 2 pounds, and you want to price it for $9 or price markup. This is a great way of adding shipping into the cost of your product. You can do minimum product price, fixed dollar addition, including the dropship fee and the retail price, as well as preventing the price from being set below the wholesale cost. Cool little safety net for you. Whenever you're going through here, you can see down on the bottom right, we have example products with the price settings being applied. As you click this arrow, you can kind of just scroll through the products that you have with this supplier. Let's see, I'm actually going to grab this specific SKU, and I'm going to jump in the test price and filter rules. This is probably my favorite tool that we provide. It gives you a whole overview and story of this specific product and how it's all working. Anything with the filtering out as well as the price markup. You can see the brand, wholesale cost, suggested retail price, quantity, weight, what category it's falling underneath, as well as that price markup. Full story of what it's looking like, final price, and your potential profit, as well as will it show on your site? Yes, which is great. We're selling this product. Like I said, with that price markup over here on the left, that's at bulk level. That's being applied to all of your products. You can also do it at a product level. So price overrides, as you can see here, we have an override for a specific product. We're doing a little clearance, just a $2 discount on MSRP. You can come in, you can search by SKU, add a price override that way. You can do, browsing through the catalog. You can do a file upload of SKUs in that sense. So this is at a product level. You can also do it at a category level. I'll get into that a little bit more when we jump in the category mapping tool. So our product filter tool right here in the product filter rules tab, we set you to default at an exclusive SKU list. So you can, apply exclusions of products that you don't want to sell. You can do that here by searching the SKU, browsing the catalog, or, doing a SKU file upload. You can also make an inclusive list. So to say the supplier has 50,000 products and really you just want to sell about 500 of those products, you can make an inclusive list to where we're just updating and uploading on that specific inclusive list of products. We also provide an exclusion list on the sense of brands. You can come in here and exclude out specific brands, that you do and do not want to sell. We also provide additional exclusion options. Really cool is you can exclude products without images, exclude MAP or minimum price products. Sorry about that. And then what's really cool is you can exclude products out, by MSRP, below or above a certain MSRP, below or above a certain weight. I like hitting on this override as well, as you can exclude products out below a certain quantity. So say you want to, create a little safety net. You don't want to sell products underneath the quantity of 3. Just to provide that safety net, like I said, to not sell products that are out of stock before your update's been run. This is just a really cool way to just ensure that you're giving the customers the best experience possible. Now we're going to jump into our category mapping tool. So the category mapping tool, it's going to give you the information of all the categories in the specific supplier catalog. As you can see here on the left, we have the parent categories. Whenever you press that plus button next to the parent categories, such as air guns, you'll be able to see the child categories. There's 10 of them. We call them the child categories or our subcategories. You can come in here. You can exclude out subcategories or parent categories. You can rename them. You can apply new parents to these specific categories. Like I was saying, you can also do a price markup at a category level as well through here on the right side. So that's our category mapping tool. There's a lot that kind of goes into it whenever you want to map out the categories and do what you see deem fit to market your products in whatever category it is. These three rules: the price markup, the product filter, and the category mapping. We highly encourage you to come in and make sure everything is up to par of what you want to do and how you want to market your business before you push that feed status to active. Because once that feed status actives, we're going to, in that first upload, we're going to push all that information onto your store or marketplace, and then we'll update on a daily basis for price, quantity, and status. Dooley, what's worth noting over here is we have a product alerts. Say some new products come in the catalog and you want to get alerts on it. You can come in, put your email address, daily, weekly, or monthly alert. You can also do a product file download. If anything for your reference, in that case, we do the file download for you. But if you want to download it yourself, just to take a look at the product catalog, you can choose the specific products, as well as something that's a little bit file type specific, standard data file, as well as the CSV XL that's most popular. Create and download that file and take a look at it that way. So that's our inventory automation. That's the tools that we provide for you to help automate your inventory. It's really awesome, especially at a very competitive price that we provide. It's only $50 a month for one integration, as you would see here: one integration, one supplier, one sales platform. I'm now going to jump into our order manager. This is order automation access that you get whenever you purchase that full automation package with us. Like I said, the new prices that we got rolling out, we got it for $150 a month for order automation, or actually it's our full automation. It includes the inventory automation, what I just went through, as well as our order automation. As you can see here, whenever I clicked in there, it brings you this new interface. We call this our channel manager. So as you can see, we have process the orders, as well as our order history. We like to keep it simple for you guys. So here are all the orders that need to be processed. You can see the details of the orders, as well as if it's ready to process or if it needs to be resolved. So if it's green, ready to process, you can click this, and it will be processed over to your supplier, and then we'll send out shipping tracking information automatically back to your customer. If we need to resolve it, so say we're missing a delivery name here, we're also missing a delivery country code, you can come in, click this blue button, and edit the order. Go in and add the information that you need for this order to be processed. You can also see more information about the product, the SKU, what supplier it's going to, as well as the shipping that's being applied to that specific product. So this is where you'd process those orders. We can have this set up automatically for you, or you can come in and just one click of a button process it order. So I'm now going to jump into order history. This is just for your information and to be able to see the history of the orders you've processed over to your supplier. As you can see, when you come in here, you can see little things such as it's been shipped or it's been completed, the SKUs, the PO number, the shipping method, the tracking number. We send this information to your customer, automatically from your sales platform or marketplace. So you don't have to come in and grab this and send it out. This is really just for your reference. So like I said, we keep this pretty simple for you. This is our order automation. Comes in our full automation package, which starts at $150 a month. If you want to get set up on that, you don't have to go through the ad integrations. You actually just get in contact with us at sales@inventorysource.com, and then we'll be able to set that up for you. What's really cool about our full automation is we can get in there and process those orders for you over to the supplier. What's really cool about that specific package is it comes with our optimized sync, where we're syncing at an optimized level, as well as an account manager for your account that you have set up with us. So that's really all about Inventory Source and what we do with our services. If you have any more questions, hurry up and jump into that chat box. Ask us some questions. It looks like our solutions team is there, answering any of your questions for you. If you have any more questions after this webinar, you can email us at sales@inventorysource.com. Give us a call at our general line, 888-351-3497, or just visit inventorysource.com. We have an awesome, resource guide and a bunch of articles about more information about us and using our services in the drop shipping industry. Like I said, go ahead and ask us some questions now in the chat box. If not, if you have some more over for us, if you have some more for us, go ahead and email us or call us. We're more than happy to help. From all of us here at the Solutions team, I want to thank you for joining the daily webinar here for Inventory Source. Um, you know, Come on by and join this daily webinar whenever you'd like. If you want to, if you weren't in and I didn't answer any of your questions, we look forward to hearing back from you. We look forward to working with you in the future. If you have any more questions, we're happy to help. I hope all you guys have a great day.